Add a touch of elegance and charm to your holiday decorations with pink-colored wall-hanging Christmas items. This unique approach to holiday decor brings a modern and whimsical vibe to your space, perfectly blending festive cheer with a soft, sophisticated aesthetic. Pink wall hangings come in a variety of designs to suit your style. Think of delicate wreaths adorned with pink ornaments, ribbons, and twinkling fairy lights. Macrame wall hangings in blush tones can add a cozy and artisanal feel to your decor. You can also explore banners or garlands featuring pink stars, snowflakes, or baubles, which create a delightful visual centerpiece. For those who love DIY projects, pink-colored felt ornaments, paper crafts, or beaded garlands make for creative wall hangings. These handmade touches not only enhance the festive vibe, but also allow you to personalize your decor. By incorporating pink-colored wall-hanging Christmas items, you can embrace a fresh and unique holiday theme while keeping the festive spirit alive. Celebrate the season with